if I'm going to make it on time, probably not because I'm late, but hopefully they still let me do the meet and greet, hopefully.
Did we just jump forward in time?
No, I just forgot something.
What was that?
I forgot that we just jumped forward in time.
That's right. Little water dispensing time.
Now, let's keep singing, but let's do it choir.
Got it pretty bad. I'm a lonely sad. Little water dispensing time. Even quiet, like a whisper. Got it pretty bad. I'm a lonely sad. Little water dispensing time.
Now we're gonna go even quieter, like only your lips are making sounds. That was pretty fun. Let's do that again. Let's get louder again. Got it pretty bad. I'm alone.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna pick up the phone and I'm gonna call her. 893-3307. With Heather?
Speaking.
Oh, hey Heather, this is Trevor. What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. What are you doing?
You just asked me that. Nothing.
Oh. Will you go with me? Bye, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Now that me and Heather are going together, we got a unique bond that nobody can sever. Even though I haven't really talked to her since that night on the phone.
Night on the phone.
And I know she's 22 inches. Electric.
33 cc's. Gas.
Are you challenging my manliness?
Yes.
a gleam in my eye, to latch onto a breath. I cut my own umbilical cord with my razor sharp teeth. Then I drove home on my muffled all in the backseat. I didn't go through you, beauty went through me, and it was never even awkward till I made it happen instantly. If you were, it's my belly button, my belly button. I won't pretend like it's nothing, 'cause my belly button's really, really something.
Getting closer, getting closer.
Emma.
I'm next. I'm just vlogging.
I expected it.
Yeah.
Everyone talking to themselves. I'm like,
I'm
oh
next.
yeah, I forget what event.
So this is my hotel room. It's very nice, very quickly. It's very nice, and then I'll explain everything, what went down, and but this is my hotel room, and I can't wait to go to bed. I had so many things that I wanted to do, but I couldn't because so much went wrong today. Long story short, my flight got cancelled. The next flight got delayed, so I was late to the concert. I thought I wasn't going to get in. I went to the desk and I look, I'm sorry I'm late, and she went, it's okay. And she gave me my Rhett and Link thing and my ticket thing, and it started at 7:30. I got there at 7:45, and I got in the concert at 8, so I missed the first half hour. But I still really enjoyed it, and then I got to meet them, and I'm so happy. That's what I came for. So I'm so happy I didn't miss that. It's made my day. But I am shattered now. Yeah, so I'm going to bed. This is merch, by the way. It says caring is cool. This is Rhett and Link merch. So yeah. Oh, and when I met Rhett, I told him it's McLaughlin, not McLaughlin, because that's his second name, but he always says McLaughlin, and like it's McLaughlin, and then he tried to say it like we do in Scottish. So it was quite funny. Good night.